Hey guys, what is going on? Today I will be unboxing and reviewing the BlackView BV5500. And this is a really exciting phone. Let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the box itself. Very simple. And at the back here we have our specs. So the specs aren't that great until we get to the Android 8.1 Oreo, which I wish it was Android 9 at this point, but not gonna complain. A large 4,400 milliamp hour battery, which is good. Alright, let's get this open. Okay, so we have a very nice presentation. The phone over here on the top. Let's put this aside. We have our SIM ejector tool, which actually I like the look of this. It's like a nice little circle we got here. Alright, very interesting. Alright, what have they included? We have a screen protector, one tempered glass and one plastic screen protector with our wipes, which I think only specific sellers are going to include. This is micro USB, unfortunately, charging brick, and we have a pair of headphones, which I don't have much hopes for. Alright, let's put this crap aside. Alright, let's take the phone out of its plastic. I love the way they put this thing. Take this off. And the sticker we're going to leave here for now. Alright. So this is the yellow version. We're going to try and power it on now. So as you guys know, this phone is IP68, water resistant, shadow resistant, dust resistant, all this stuff, weatherproof, and you can get it between $70 and $80. Alright, so we are in the start menu. So I'm going to set this up and get back to you guys. Alright, so the phone is set up. Whoops, that's a camera. This is how it looks like when you set it up. Unfortunately, no fingerprint sensor. That's a real bummer. So I don't know if I'm gonna use any unlocking feature on this phone. Wait, I think this has face unlock. Let's see. Now I'm really interested to see how this phone handles knife fit. Now I have used the Untitled G1. I've reviewed it. It has the same chipset, same amount of RAM, and it was pretty slow. But this is a modern phone, so I think that it has a better implementation of this chip, because so far performance is way better than that phone, that's for sure. The screen is also way better too. This screen is actually pretty decent. We have a 5.5 inch IPS LCD, and this is actually very, very decent. The viewing angles are nice, and this is a 1080p panel after all, and that's pretty decent for the price. Alright, let's play this game now. This is an 18.9, so yeah, viewing full screen. Alright. Alright, so when I disable ads, it runs even faster. So very fluid gameplay, very playable indeed. So I would say this phone is indeed good for light games. I'm not even gonna bother trying PUBG because I know it's gonna lag, but I might try it anyways. And so if you guys wanna see how PUBG runs, just let me know in the comments and I'll play it for sure. Alright, let's see how the speaker is on this phone. I'm really curious to see how that is. Alright, so the first time ever launching YouTube, it usually YouTube for the first time takes ages to launch, but this launched right away, so I'm really happy. switch it right around the side. Very good. Outside the camera now. Alright, let's try taking a selfie. How do you switch around the camera? Alright, so relaunching the camera app brought back some options here that were missing. This was missing and this was missing. That was weird. Let's flip the camera, take a selfie. Alright, now let's go outside. Alright, this is front-facing video on the BlackView BV5500 Pro. I cannot get it to focus on my face when taking selfies, so I don't know if it's in focus now or not. But only when I get to see this on my PC, I'll know for sure. Okay, this is rear-facing video on the BlackView BV5500 Pro. The front-facing camera was 480p. This is 1080p, and on the phone it doesn't look bad. So we have detail, focusing issue. I see, but that's okay, and it doesn't look bad at all. I wonder how the microphone sounds like. Now there are a few things I wanted to point out to you guys, so let's go over here to the SIM card slot. So as you can see, you have to open this flap, and then you need to use the SIM ejector tool to open here. So this I've never seen before, so kudos to BlackView for being unique, and I'm sure this is effective as well. So we do have, it is nano SIM, and we do have room for a micro SD card. For a phone with only 16 gigs of storage, you would really want this. Now we don't have any rubber surrounding the SIM card, no waterproofing whatsoever. So BlackView is solely relying on that tiny little flap to prevent water from entering. However, we do still have a headphone jack, which is also covered by a little flap. And these flaps aren't too hard to remove, actually. So good luck actually putting a headphone in here. Okay, actually let's try this actually. Hold on. Alright, these are the headphones I use every day. Fits like a charm. Alright, so here we are. Face unlock. Let's enroll a face. Show all notification content. Alright, let's see how this works. Alright. Okay. I did not do that correctly, but let's see if it works anyways. And what if I do it close? Alright, so it does open. It's pretty slow, so I'm going to try to unroll it one more time, but this I'm going to do it close to my face, so you guys aren't going to see that, so I'm going to cut the video. Hold on. Alright, so I had to hold my phone pretty far away to unroll my face. So, that was quick actually. Alright, so it does unlock pretty quickly. Not as quick as most phones, but I mean, honestly can't complain. Now I'm going to try and do it close up. Alright, when the phone is closer to my face, it takes less time. it takes longer because it makes you unroll your face while holding your phone so far away. So I can't exactly show you how much, but like 1 or 2 feet, that's pretty far away, to be honest. So yeah, guys, that is the end of the video. To summarize, this is a really great phone for the price. In my opinion, I'm going to be switching over to this as my daily driver for a day or two and see how the usage really is like. So after setting up the phone and everything, I'm going to install my apps, my launcher, and if you guys want, I'm going to make a follow-up video. But if there's no demand, there's not going to be any follow-up. Cameras are decent, speaker is decent, performance is decent, and I bought this for $70. But if you're lucky, you can find it for the same price. But right now, they're going up for like around $100 because the price goes up $2 every day for a certain period of time. And I was lucky enough to buy it when it was on pre-sale. So if you guys are interested in this phone, I hope you are lucky enough to find this for a good price. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I'm going to answer every single one of them if I find them appropriate. Thanks for watching, guys, and peace out.